Hi, SoftwareSupport is a network of the best freelancers in their fields, and we are happy to deliver know-how on how to lead your project and customer accounts to success. So first, be proactive in the collaboration. Don't wait for the customer to do something, but be proactive and engage in the conversation as early as possible. Customers value the ones who actively lead the customer to success and not the ones who wait for executing the orders. Identify growth opportunities. So on all stages of customer collaboration, you will see areas where something can be done better, faster, or easier. Make sure you identify these opportunities and present them to customer as your customer might not know about them. Be communicative and available. So the success to every project's execution is proper communication. Make sure you're always on time and on the meetings provide agendas and summaries and ensure proper communication with relevant stakeholders. Customers will value not only your hard skills but also your soft skills and how you manage the project. Identify stakeholders. The person you will be working with might not be the only relevant stakeholder in your project. You can identify relevant stakeholders in customers' organization and deliver value to them as well. Customer will be more willing to work with you if you deliver quality to the whole company as an organization and not only to one communicating individual. Last but not least, deliver on time. Delivering on the committed tasks is an obvious part of your work, but it is essential in every project. Make sure your tasks are delivered on time and quality-wise. Customers will value timely deliveries and will provide you with the next jobs and projects. There are many more tips we can provide that are project-specific and customer-specific, but these are the 5 main things to follow when working with customer accounts. So stay in touch with our team and our channel to keep updated about new tips on how to lead your projects to success.